Nathan, you want to push the button?
Sure, I'll start it up. It's working today. At least as of the last 10 seconds.
Oh, shout out. Under level.
That little arrow will just like barely heat, I think.
Oh yeah, I think I heard it.
Yeah.
Newer key switches.
Yeah, they replaced some of the stuff on this, but a lot of the stuff here, like if you look at this photo.
Oh yeah, that's old.
What model is this? Dover?
Oil hydraulic, probably.
Yeah. The indicator does
Is this
work.
the only is this brand the only one with these buttons?
Yes.
So ThyssenKrupp made them for like a couple of years, but they usually got branded as Dover.
Okay, then this model, I'm
Very
trying
common.
to think. Yes, I'm trying to think of the largest one I've been
If
on.
you want.
Largest one I've been on is 20 floors.
I saw one. Oh, the one in Las Vegas.
Wait, do they have this model in Rosemont somewhere?
Yes. Where?
In the parking garage?
Yes. Wait, which
think
garage? Which garage?
The one by the where Sugar Factory is and that shit.
Oh, that big one.
Yeah.
No, this one is similar. It's Series 1. I'll show you what it is.
So there was
I love this lantern.
in Las Vegas.
This
that
one,
were
then
like
this
40.
one, I feel like the top I've been to is maybe 8 with this model.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I've seen Littleton's Custom Impulse is 8.
I'll stop the video at 2. I just want
Take a look at the thing behind you.
to. This thing is fucking ancient. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's really gonna. It points at the fucking floor.
Yeah, it's kind of useless. I don't even think it works, honestly.
We're getting in, Nathan.
Oh, we're staying in.
Yeah, I want to stop it at 2, if that's all right.
Yeah,
These
go
key
ahead.
switches are all new. This is
These
FEOK
are
one.
the
Yeah, this is what the old key switches should normally. This is what these ones used to. These used to look like this.
and this is the old contact buttons. I think those got replaced.
Just want to hear the chime. Can't even hear it.
No,
All right, that's it.